Stumbling in, stumbling in.
Sounds good, brother. Can you play us a bit of flamingo? Like
I can't play flamingo.
No, you were just doing it before. It was flamingo enough for me.
That was like I'm in somewhere at some island playing some music, and it's nice and sunny. Yeah. It's a light evening. I mean, a beautiful evening, and calm. You hear the oceans roar in. Yeah. You've got your cocktails sitting there. Yeah, people are enjoying themselves, and you start playing. Hi there everyone, Final Ninja here. I'm just playing the guitar because over the next 5 series I'll be talking about musicians and their playing and their posture, the muscles that could have issues with. And I am playing here. Here's an instrument that I'm holding. I could be sitting here for next hour or two playing and enjoying myself, but my shoulder's forward. I could be shortening my pecs here. I've got my posture, I could be leaning over, causing a lot of stress in my back. And this is not something that will happen overnight. It's something that will happen over time. And if you don't look after yourself as a musician, you can get into a bad place. And you won't be able to sit much for very long to practice because your lower back could be sore. In terms of me playing my guitar, I'm using my flexors a lot, but I'm not doing anything with my extensor muscles. So I need to be I guess really exercising my extensor muscle to balance my arm out. So I don't want to stress them out so much where I end up slowing my ability or having pain. So what I'm going to be doing is just treating Ninja on a couple of places of his body that where you need release, and to be able to continue to play and enjoy what you're doing. All right, Ninja, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
That's what it's all about. Performance.
Yes. So let's get you to...
What do you want?
Well, I'd like to get you to lie on your back. Because...
You need a shirt off or...
Oh yeah, just take the shirt off. All right. That's it. All right. Let me get you right. All right. You ready?
Yeah, mate.
No, underneath your knees, mate. Okay. Let's put the mini skirt on you.
I like your outfit today,
mate, perfect. You wouldn't want anything black and purple.
That's it.
Good combination.
That's our colour, black, purple and white.
Exactly. Okay. Now, so when I said earlier about where I was sitting, I basically would have my shoulder forward, and over time my pecs will shorten and cause issues. And you need to release that so you can feel relaxed when you're playing. So what I'll be doing is, if you come and see me, we'll definitely be working on your pecs. I'll just be applying pressure, trying to stretch that tissue. And I'm just sitting here at the moment, just getting Ninja used to this pressure, just for his body, just to relax, and his central nervous system to realise it's not a threat to his body. And in turn, his brain will end up, sending a signal to his muscles to relax. How does that feel, Ninja?
It's good. Right? Okay. Solid.
Yeah.
Is a good way to describe it.
Yeah.
You're there for me.
Yeah, definitely.
Connected.
That's what I'm here. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's no use to doing any light work, because that's not going to fix anything.
Yeah.
So,
doesn't change anything unless you
exactly.
connect with it.
Exactly.
It's important.
Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
And I think really interesting, I was reading that there was a study done in 2012 where 8 Australian orchestras were surveyed, and 84% of the musicians had health issues, muscular issues. So it's not something, like I said earlier, that will happen overnight, but over time it will. So you just need to ensure that you're treated in order to continue to do what you love doing. And I know for me, there are times when I've sat down and played. I could play for an hour or to 2 hours, really. And being in the same position for a long time is not good for you. And I'll get up and I'll have a sore back, and I'll have to do some stretches just to feel better. So looking after your health is just important, so primary. Okay, so we'll just get some slow movements happening in that shoulder just to open that up. And just be working with the client's tolerance, and the aim is to increase that range of motion. It's not just a treatment too, you'll be doing exercises as well. So you'll be doing some with a TheraBand, doing some rowing exercises to strengthen your rhomboids in order to pull your shoulders back, your scapula back. And you always know when you've got rounded shoulders, because when you're standing, if you look in the mirror, if your thumbs are rotated towards your body, you'll know you've got rounded shoulders. So, all right. You okay, mate?
Yeah.
All right,
good.
Beautiful. Just go. Just there. That's it. That's it. I know.
Oh. Strong man. You're strong.
Well, mate. I'm just saying that it's a strong depression I'm putting in, but we're always mindful that we're working with the client's ability to cope with the pressure. It's always essential to make sure that you're not causing undue pain for the client, because you want to do effective work. You don't want it to be a traumatic experience for the client.
Yeah. Don't want to create more damage, do
No,
we?
you don't. You just want to rehydrate that area, help increase blood flow, which brings its own, kind of healing properties anyway, new oxygen, fresh oxygen.
Fresh everything, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Get the other stuff that's stuck in there out.
Exactly.
Yeah, it can't move because it's stuck.
Right.
So that's good.
Okay, so that's one place that I would be treating. I'm going to just get Ninja to roll over. Okay, let me get this ready for you, mate. All right, there you go. Slide down. Give me your mini skirt. So, remember the area that I said about your shoulder being pulled in? Well, all this is going to be tight here as well. So what we want to do is try to just basically pin that muscle. Again, waiting for Ninja's body to just get used to this. Just trying to release that muscle from being tense.
It's good, man. Nice and slow.
Yeah. So when I'm playing and my shoulder was up like it was, there's a small gap there that actually, if you're when you're lifting it up, you're narrowing it, so you can potentially over time aggravate your muscular supraspinatus. And you want to make sure that you actually do exercises and have your arm treated so you don't get into that place of pain. Okay, Ninja. Now, I find a lot of times when I treat people that there's a couple of pressure points that people will either feel pressure or pain, and we'll just hold that just to release that. And it does, the pain that's dissipated. And sometimes it varies, like some people will say it's a 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10. But as you pin down and hold that particular nodule actually releases.
Yeah.
And you do. You feel good.
Yeah. It's released already a lot.
Exactly.
You've got to pin it, haven't you?
Definitely. There's one more spot here, which I find is a bit of an issue. That there. You got something there, Ninja?
Yeah, there is. That's kind of shooting.
Shooting, yeah.
Yeah, into my. Oh, sorry, just here.
Yeah,
Sort of,
definitely.
yeah, you kind of. It's vague though.
It's a referral pattern, yeah.
Yeah.
But once this pain here releases, that referral pattern will stop.
Yeah, starting to relax now. You got to go through this stuff, haven't you,
You do, you do.
to know what it's all about.
And you know, what's interesting too, Ninja, as we all know that, you know, we continue to live a certain way and get used to a certain posture or whatnot, and becomes our norm, and you don't realise your norm is truly supposed to be until you have a treatment and you realise how released your arm feels.
Yep.
And a number of times I've treated people with their shoulders, and after retesting, after we finish enough, find their shoulders just so much lighter and easier to move than the arm that has not been treated. Okay, the other part I'll be treating is just sorry, Ninja, just put your arm by your side. Actually, no, I put it here, yeah. So I will be treating his deltoid. So just applying pressure there, because that's involved in your abduction as well. So this sort of thing you would be expecting if you come and see me to treat you. Okay, so that's basically where I'll be treating regarding just one particular aspect of your arm when you're, as a guitarist, you're sitting down and playing. And what I was thinking today was we put a lot of value as musicians on our instrument, on our creativity, on our enjoyment in what we do. But the question to ask is, what value do we put on our body, on our health, in order to be able to continue what we're doing? So I would strongly suggest that you do not leave it till you're really bad. Come and see us. We'll release those muscles so you'll be able to actually play better and enjoy what you're doing, and not be hindered in any way. Okay? So don't waste time. Book and come and see me.
Get it done.